Welcome back, and welcome to Musketeers Woods. Not been here for quite some time actually, but this is what I believe it's Ray's in-laws, sort of. It's their house, massive garden with this woodland that backs onto it. So obviously we're out with Goonie Bushcraft, Ray, Wild Way, and TJ, Into the Wild, is it? Into the Wild? Into the Wild. I can't remember if it's Into the Woods or Into the Wild. Yeah. So, yeah, we're all just either, yeah, we're setting up. Ray and Jay sorting the fire. I've got my hammock up and tarp, but I've actually forgot to put my under blanket on. So that's my next job. Under blanket. And then, of course, beer time, because, yeah, why wait? Get stuck in. Just a small selection.
Yes. I'm gonna go small here.
This is just Ray's. 5 o'clock.
It's not a traditional fire still and fatwood fire. Just used a bit of tinder cord.
Well, as long as we get the flames,
You like a bit of tinder, don't you?
we're happy.
Hey.
Beer o'clock. We're having a drink, finally. Yeah, don't chop your finger off. Nice. We're all at it. Even TJ's got his axe with him.
That's perfect wood. Beautiful, nice and
Beautiful wood.
lovely. Lovely. There's the
Chef Ray Amsey.
the cuisine.
Got burgers on. Looking forward to these. Starving. Yeah, certainly flamey.
Turn it off now.
Flame grilled finest. Looking forward to this.
The video, yeah, I'm shift that way.
Bottoms up.
Shall I or dare I now?
A bit like line caught, dolphin friendly, face rated.
Yeah, line caught, dolphin friendly burger. Thank you, Ray. We've got a straggler coming into the woods now, look. Big kicked out of his arse by his missus. They want to drink in peace, so they've kicked him out, look. Bags and everything. Yeah, he had no choice.
I brought beer.
Oh, good man.
That's the entrance price.
Next lot of food on. Food o'clock. What are these? Steaks of some kind, or?
Pork steaks with
Pork
all the
steaks.
Chinese flavouring on.
Nice. Yeah, Sean demanded once he got down here that we cook some food, so...
Basically like a caveman who just needs meat, beer and sex.
Well, there's nothing wrong with that, is there? Bit of a live stream going on. Maybe some of you are already subscribed to Goonie Bushcraft. Maybe you're watching this. now, as I'm recording now and then watching my video
Look at that, beautiful.
later.
Old TJ.
Crazy.
You live streaming at the same time?
No, I'm not live streaming. I haven't got enough subs. I'm not popular enough.
This is
It's
Inception.
like some vlog inception. Like, I'm vlogging the live vlog.
Look at that, you can actually see what I'm holding the camera on. It's literally, as I weren't lying, a stick, a bungee, and a little tripod.
Yeah, inception.
That was Ray's nickname at school, little tripod.
Fire going well.
Well, that's a very well stoked fire, for sure.
Really cool live stream.
Yeah, it was. It just got legs and then took off.
It did. We started taking song requests and everything.
I don't know.
Just everything.
Yeah.
Can you film this one? Inception style.
Inception again, mate. Like live stream all over again.
He finished nights this morning and has come straight. I finished nights this morning. I'm still up, aren't I?
Gee, there you go.
What time is it, lads?
Don't know the lights on or not. Got the lights on or not. 12.
Quarter to 12 now, and you can hardly see me. We've had a fantastic night. There we go. Lighting guy in full force. Oh, that's amazing. That's better than daylight.
Perfect.
It's been a fantastic evening. Jay, he's had a good.
Lighting guy, all these years later,
yeah.
still lighting guy.
We did an epic live stream, so I don't know if any of you caught that, if you follow me or not, or Jay.
We'll link it. I'll see you
Both
later.
of us, yeah. I don't know how long it'll be live for, so yeah, catch it while you can. It's been a fantastic evening. Obviously, always enjoy myself with the crew. You know how it is. Best friends,
Yes.
BFFs forever. You know,
Yeah, man, it's been cool.
love each other, don't we? Getting
Certainly do.
emotional.
I was waiting for you to tell me you love me.
Epic night, yeah. Sean, who came earlier, he's already gone to bed, but he's been up since ridiculous o'clock. He's been on a night shift, so fair play for even turning up at all. Ray has stoked the fire to doom, so we've all had to leave the bench because it's too close
I'm
and
melting.
I'm melting away.
I'm on the verge of combusting.
Not complaining, but
Spontaneous
wow,
combustion.
it is hot. It's insane. It's like summer. We do not need a fire, to be fair, but yeah, we love the fire, don't we?
Yes,
We love the fire.
We certainly do.
the best.
Fantastic.
The best
Right,
TV.
The focal point of any camp.
Yes.
going to sign off for the night. CJ apparently is doing breakfast, if you can see him in the
Apparently,
shadows.
We'll see what state I'm in
Yeah.
in the morning.
Sausages and all sorts of good stuff.
Yeah.
So I'll catch you all in the morning. Good morning. Just been up, folded the tarp over, chilling in the hammock, feeling a little dehydrated. Water time. Yeah. Great night last night. Lads are up. TJ's been collecting some wood. Ray's feeling rough as well. And Jay's just appearing from out the tarp. Breakfast time.
Right. All good.
Jay slicing and dicing the cobs. TJ on sausage duty.
Careful how you. I know we're all chums in the
That's
woods,
it,
and
yeah.
everything, but you know.
Just sort everyone's sausage for him, DJ, please.
Yeah.
Is that one mine?
He uses single
Lovely.
What, like a 22?
I'm all packed away. Just got me a few food bits to sort out between these two. Quite a big span actually. When I chose them, I thought they'd be perfect. When I put my straps up and then put the hammock in between, I thought, oh, this is like on the edge of the limit really, but ended up being a really nice level lay. Slept really well. I guess all them beers helped on that front. But yeah, it's a fantastic night. Lads are tidying up. Well, I'm just here talking to you. Well, I've done a little bit, but yeah, should probably go and help really. Right, my turn now. Everyone's packed away now. Big thanks, as Jay said, to TJ for cooking the breakfast. Massive thanks to Ray for letting us camp here, obviously. Jay for the lift, and Sean, you didn't really do anything. But thank you for being here, mate. Yeah, awesome. It's been a fantastic night. So I'm not sure, well, when this will be out actually, because like Jay's, I've got loads of videos stacked up. So thank you all for watching my videos. If you got this far, thank you very much. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.